Welcome friends. This is the last tutorial in the series of HTML5. Hope you have enjoyed this series until now. This tutorial is all about SSE, which stands for Server Sent Events. HTML5 server sent events allow a web page to get updates from a server. Server sent events is one-way messaging. It is one-way messaging in the sense that server can send the messages, not the client. This was also possible before, but with server sent events, the updates come automatically. Examples are Facebook and Twitter. They use server sent events. The event source object is used to receive server sent event notification. So in this example, we will create a script that receives the notifications from the server and automatically updates itself. First we check a new event source object. If it is supported, then specify the URL of the server-side script. Here we are using PHP as a server-side language. Each time an update is received, the onMessage event occurs. When an onMessage event occurs, put the received data into the element with id is equal to result. So here we are showing the response from the server. In case event source is not supported by the browser, we simply show an error message. So this script will fetch the response from the server and show it to the user. So server side script here is demo_sse.php. So this is the server side script. This is a simple script which sets content type is equal to text event stream and prevents the file from being cached, and then simply echoes the server time. So it notifies the client about the server time. So these two scripts are used to achieve this. Now we need to preview this in a browser. So here, this is the index of our server. This is the file we need to preview here. You can see that it is automatically getting the server time. So this is the output. So this was the end of our series. Thank you.